Hi, my name is Vinod. I'm 38 years old. I'm staying in Bangalore. And I started losing my hair, from the age of around 24, 25. So that was really a very difficult time for me because losing your hair means losing your confidence, right? So people are just walking around and you have to wear all the cap all the time and walk around in between them. So there was a sort of insecurity which was with me that time. Because of that, I couldn't go out openly and all those things which I used to do openly, I couldn't without wearing a cap. I was doing like that. So, that time I was in Bombay, then I shifted to Bangalore, Srijit Nambyar. He approached me and he, gave me this idea like, this is one thing, you can just try it out. And then I said, okay, and I tried. And the process was also like sort of very simple, painless procedure. So when most people, when they hear SMP, they will think that okay, it's again sort of like tattooing, because tattooing you have to penetrate in much inside. Here the penetration level is very less, and for that reason the pain also won't be like much pain. And we completed our first session on one day, and it took around 2.5 hours time. But after the first session, when you get that hair lining and everything, right, seeing that hair lining itself, make you feel confident. Then the next 3 months, actually this entire procedure gets completed among 3-4 sessions. So once I completed my first session, so the next session was planned in the coming week, like next Sunday. So I completed that, and like that we completed around 3 sessions or 4 sessions. And after the 4th session, it was like, it's looking like this. So earlier it was like, my front part, right? There was no hair at all. So even though I used to trim my hair, but it was looking a bit odd, because there is no hair in this part. But after doing this SMP, the level of confidence it gave me was like, tremendous actually. I could go around without wearing cap, even though you don't have hair, but you get that feeling of, when people see me, right, they started asking me, okay, have you done anything like a transplantation or something? And because this thing is like SMP is something which many people are not aware of actually, right? So when then people started asking, I explained them, okay, this is not a transplantation sort of thing, and I explained what SMP is. And so people were convinced, and they also they were very convinced, especially by the way how Srijit has done the SMP procedure. So it was very smooth, and I'm like really happy by the entire procedure, like how Srijit did the procedure, by the entire outcome. And I'll definitely, if given a chance, I'll definitely suggest this SMP procedure to all my friends, whoever is losing the hair and who want to get this particular look, right? And especially Srijit, the way he treat the patient, I would say patient itself, because it's sort of a treatment, right? So the way Srijit treat the customers or patients, and the way he explains the procedure, the way the SMP procedure is done, everything is like outstanding. And so that's my experience. So I have completed this around 3 years back, and still you can see that, it's still, you can see the hair lining and everything very clearly. So I'm very much happy by the entire procedure.